Hi, welcome to Metanotech. In this section, we'll cover everything you need to know about effectively managing your multiple warehouse operations. Let's start by clicking on Inventory in the navigation bar. Here, we have an overview of the inventory, beginning with operations such as receipts, internal transfers, and delivery orders across different warehouses, like Warehouse Site CH and Warehouse Site SF. Now, let's begin by checking the stock levels for cabinets in the product menu. As we can see, there is stock in CH stock. We want to move this item to SF stock, our second internal warehouse. To do this, we'll first assign a contact person in charge of the item, then specify the source location as CH stock and the destination location as SF stock. We just need to add the list of products and set the number of units we want to transfer. Let's check the stock. As you can see, we have successfully moved the stock from CH to SF, as shown by the updated on-hand quantity. Now, we can review the reporting section for a detailed inventory report. Thank you for following along with this guide on multiple warehouse management. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions and continue exploring Metanotech for more powerful inventory management tools.